This is a historic day north of the border. Marijuana now legal in Canada. Last night at 6, we took you inside a growing operation in southern Ontario.
Tonight, one question on this side of the bridge. How could all of this affect Western New Yorkers crossing the border? 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan walks us through what you need to know.
You wouldn't be able to tell by watching the Peace Bridge border crossing today that our neighbors to the north just legalized marijuana for millions of people. U.S. border officers say for them, nothing has really changed.
We have not. We haven't seen any issues whatsoever. I've been outside all morning. It's been business as usual for us. Traffic's flowing through without a problem at all.
Since marijuana is still illegal at the federal level in the U.S., Customs and Border Protection officers are going to keep looking for it when people cross into the country. Immigration attorney Sabrina Reich says the new law will take some getting used to.
As new as the changing law is going to be to the general public, to immigration attorneys, these changes are also new for Customs and Border Protection.
Despite the new law, CBP doesn't expect wait times to be any longer crossing the border, though it says officers may come across marijuana more often.
Obviously, there is a little bit of a potential for an increase in possession, and we're aware of that. If people can legally obtain it now, there's a chance that we see a little bit more of it. But no, we're not expecting any increase in searches.
CBP says Canadians who admit to legally using cannabis at home should have no problems entering the U.S. as long as they aren't breaking any other laws. For U.S. citizens, CBP says consuming marijuana legally across the border before returning home is not enough on its own to get someone in trouble. But officers warn travelers to never drive under the influence of drugs or try to bring anything illegal across the border.
But a U.S. citizen is allowed to come back into the country. You may face a couple extra questions. If it's obvious that someone in the car has smoked or we smell it, you could be subject to search at that point.
CBP says most travelers will not see any change at the border. In Buffalo, Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.